In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the liftgate support on this Ford Excursion. This is what holds the top glass on the rear. Let's get started. A couple things before removing the old one. First off, make sure you have the correct one because there are two different lengths for this, so compare your new part to make sure that, well, you have the right length. Secondly, you want to support the liftgate with something or have an assistant to hold it because one side is not enough to support the weight of this, and you want to have both hands available to replace this part. Take a pocket screwdriver or a pick or flathead, whatever you have that'll get in here and lift up on this clip. There we go. On the other side of the liftgate support, you want to do the same exact thing. Pry this out and remove it. There it is. Now inspect the stud where this mounts. You want to make sure it's not completely rotted out. Sometimes that happens, and in that case you would want to replace it so that this doesn't break. It does become a weak point. As long as yours is good, take the new liftgate support and simply press it on. And on the other end, you want to make sure it lines up. You may need to bring the liftgate up or down for it to line up perfectly. Now you'd want to do the same to the other side. I always recommend replacing these in pairs, and then you can remove your support if you had one in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.